Hello and welcome again. Over time, the idea of vacation has undergone profound changes depending on the rapid development of our modern lifestyles. Legnano Sabbiadoro flourished in the 70s as a seaside resort and was considered one of the most exclusive holiday-preferred destinations. Nowadays, however, it would be unthinkable to offer the same type of person that I used to look for 30 years ago. All holiday resorts and facilities had to adapt to the requirements of modern tourists, just as the Hotel Bella Venezia Mare did to be able to offer holidays that can become real experiences thanks to the many activities and sports available. Hotel Bella Venezia Mare was founded in 1968 in the new location of Legnano Pineta. This district of the city Legnano Sabbiadoro was developed from innovative urban planning, according to which all streets were built as part of a whirlwind from the central Praca Rosaventi and extending until the outer arches reached the beach. As a result of this peculiar urban plan, all Legnano houses and hotels are located in the middle of a peaceful Mediterranean pine forest, but at the same time, not far from the city center and the beach. The favorable location of the Bella Venezia Mare Hotel ended up being the focal point of all the evolution and updates that the structure has made. Recently renovated, this hotel has decided to focus on the high standard of quality of services it offers. As it is now incredibly easy to reach everywhere in the world, commercial competition in the tourism sector has increased exponentially, and, to remain competitive and correspond to distant exotic havens, the best solution is to maintain a high standard of quality for all services offered to tourists. In fact, this means using the experience gained in the past, when few people could afford airfare and some countries were not accessible. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time.